Hello everybody. So today I will talk about statistics. The topic today is about probability. So now I will show you how to answer. What is the probability that a vehicle will have all letters that are identical and an even number? So now I will show you how to answer. We have 4 letters and 4 digits. So now we need to find about the total of this driver license in here. We know that the first one is about letters, and this one that is about the digit. And we know that in alphabet we have 26 letters. So for this one you have 26 letters in here. And we have another 26 letters in here, similar for this one and this one. About the digit, we know that they start from 0 to number 9, so that's about 10 digits. So we have 10 in here, 10 in here, and 10 in here. Now we need to multiply all the numbers in here, and we can find about the total driver license. You got about 26 to the power of 4 and 10 to the power of 4, because we have 4 number 10 and 4 number 26. And this one, you got about this number in here. So we have 4,569,760,000 whites in here. Now let's go to the question. We want to find a vehicle with how all letters are identical. Identical, that means all the letters they have the same. That means for the first one in here, you got about A. Then we have B. So we know that in alphabet we have 26 letters. So from A to Z, you got about 26 ways in here. Now the next one, we have an even number. To get about even number in here, so this one we know that should be about 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. So the first number in here, you got about 5 ways in here. So from here to here, you got about 10, and 10. Why? Because they want to have an even number. So the last digit should be about even digit. So you got about an even number in here. Now we have 26 multiplied by 10, and number 5. We calculate about this one in here, and you got about 130,000 ways in here. And now we can find about probability. So we use about this number in here. We divide by total from here. And this one, that should be about 1 over 35,152. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.